yoga instructor, Tai Chi instructor, and nutrition specialist. Today I'm going to show you Tai Chi Easy by Jahnke, 5 forms. Please subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell, and we'll get started. So I'm going to show you the 5 form first, and then I will break it down with step-by-step instruction. Okay, so to start, we're going to start with the opening. Now before we begin, it's always good to check in with the 3 treasures. So close the eyes, notice how your breath feels, how your body feels, and notice what's going on in your mind today. Maybe set a personal intention for your practice. Begin to deepen your inhales and lengthen your exhales. And as we proceed throughout this 5 form sequence, continue to take nice, long, slow, deep breaths. We're going to start with the opening. So breathe in, reach the hands up to shoulder level, bend the knees, sink the hips, connect with the energy of the earth, then step the left foot out, toe, heel. Bring your right hand underneath the left and imagine a ball of chi, nature's healing energy between your palms. We're going to harmonize yin and yang, connect with the earth and connect with the heavens, with earthly energy and with spiritual energy. So when you're ready, step your right foot forward, heel toe, right palm connects with the heavens, left hand connects with the earth, lean forward, lean back, pivot, right toes out. Gather your chi ball. Visualize that white ball of chi between the palms. Then step your left foot forward. Heel toe. Lean forward. Lean back. Turn. Gather chi. Step forward with the right foot. Lean forward. Lean back. Turn. Gather chi. We'll do one more. Step forward with the left foot. Heel toe. Lean forward. Lean back. Gather your ball of healing chi, then flip your palm, and now we're going to brush knee send chi. So you can visualize sending chi, healing energy to someone you love or someone you think needs it. So when you're ready, step your right foot forward, just about 1 footprint forward, heel toe, brush the knee with the right hand, send chi with the left. Lean back, gather chi. As you pivot, brush the knee with the left hand, send chi with the right, lean forward, lean back, gather chi. Step forward with the right foot, brush the knee with the right hand, send chi with the left, lean forward, lean back, pivot, gather chi. One more. Step forward with the left foot. Brush the knee with the left hand. Send chi with the right. Lean forward, lean back. Gather your ball of chi. And now we're just going to come to tiger pose. So bring your left foot to meet the right. Left hand over right, tiger pose. And next we're going to cut a path to clarity. So using information from the past and the future to make clear, mindful choices in the present. So from here, you can imagine your healing white ball of chi energy between your palms. And then bring your right arm back, making a W. Look at your right hand. Step back with your left foot. Toe, heel, as you cut like a knife with your right hand to meet the left. Cutting a path to clarity. Other side, left arm back, step back with the right foot, toe, heel, then bring the left hand forward to meet the right, cutting a path to clarity. Couple more. Cutting a path to clarity. Then we can come back to tiger pose, which is a great transition pose. Now we're going to conserve energy by watching clouds pass. So you can start with your right hand, imagining your right hand is a cloud, the left hand's gathering moisture. Step to the left, switch. The left hand becomes the cloud, the right hand gathers the moisture, and then just watch your left palm as it passes in front of you. Step together, switch, watch the clouds pass. Step the left foot out, switch, watch the clouds pass. Right foot in, switch, watch the clouds pass. And then we'll go the other way. Step the right foot out, switch, watch the clouds pass. Left foot meets right, switch, watch the clouds pass. Right foot to the right, switch, watch the clouds pass. And then left foot to the right. Now we can come back to tiger pose, great transition. So the next form is gathering from heaven and earth. So connecting with the physical and the spiritual world. So take a big step out, heels in, toes out, bend your knees, sink your hips, take a big breath in as you gather healing energy from the earth. Breathe out as you send that healing energy to your heart space. Breathe in, open the arms, reach your arms up to the sky, gather from divinity, infinite intelligence, the cosmos, all that exists outside this physical realm. And breathe out as you send that healing light energy to your heart. And we'll do a few more. Breathe in, gather from earth. Breathe out, send to the heart. Breathe in, gather from spirit. And breathe out, send to the heart space. Breathe in, gather healing chi from the earth. Breathe out, send to the heart center. Breathe in, gather healing energy from the divine. Breathe out, send that healing chi to the heart center. Step your left foot to your right. Make a fist with your right hand to represent action, and the left hand represents yin. So right hand means yang, action, force, power, logic. Left hand is more feminine, which represents compassion, grace, emotion. So compassion always tempers power. Take a big breath in and breathe out. Maybe bow in gratitude for your practice. Maybe take a moment, close the eyes, and just notice how your body feels, how your breath feels. Notice any shifts in your mood, your mind, your energy. Maybe reflect on that intention you set for your practice. Thank you so much for practicing the Tai Chi Easy 5 form with me. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment below. I would love to hear how this practice feels for you. And please subscribe to my channel. The light in me honors the light in each of you. Namaste.